Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making this rainbow soft-sided eyeglass case. This cute little case is great to store your eyeglasses and makes a great gift for any age. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern, or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. I've added the link in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric strips in the colors of the rainbow. I'm using red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and violet. A lining fabric, cotton batting, and the printable template. First, center the green fabric on the batting diagonally from corner to corner with the right side of the fabric strip facing up. Center the blue strip on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Align the raw edges on one of the long sides of the strips and stitch along that long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open. Place the purple strip on top of the last strip, right sides facing each other. Stitch along that long edge of the fabric strip using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open. Add the violet strip and again stitch using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And press it open. Depending on the accuracy of your stitching, you'll find you'll have a small or a large section of the corner uncovered. We'll take care of that in a bit. Now we'll start working on the other section. Place the yellow strip on top of the green strip with the right side of the fabric facing down. Stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance and press it open. Follow the same technique to add the orange and the red strips. Now let's take care of those corners. Once we use the template, we'll be cutting away one of these corners, but I like to cover them both up anyway. I worked my way backward using orange and purple, but you can start the rainbow all over again if you prefer. Now flip the piece over and use the edge of the batting as a guide to trim away the excess ends of the strips. Now flip the piece back over right side up. Place the lining fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Center the template on top and cut out the entire stack. Stitch all the way around the stack using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a space open at the top for turning. Clip your corners and notch your curves, and turn the piece right side out and press it. Fold the opening under and press it to form a crease. Top stitch all around the fabric piece about 1/8 of an inch from the edge, making sure to catch the section you'd left open for turning. With the lining on the inside, fold the case in half and use fabric clips or pins to hold it in place. Stitch around the side and bottom of the case 1/8 of an inch inside the previous top stitching. Back stitch at the beginning and the end of the stitching to secure it, and here's a tip, don't sew the top closed. And just like that, just that fast, you have this cute, colorful rainbow eyeglass case. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.